Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have a diamond painting to show you from dun, 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 Diamond Art Club. It is a round drill. See, round diamonds. I'm excited it's round drill and I'm excited that I did not miss this one. I missed one at Halloween time and I was upset. I still have not seen any hide nor hair of that one. Anyhow, you'll know what I'm talking about when you see this. If you see the Halloween one, somebody's getting rid of it or something, please let me know, all right? Because I'd love to get my hands on that one. So what do I have? What do I have? I have Gnome and Friends. That's what I've got here. Yay! So the Halloween one, oh my gosh, it was so cute. This little gnome just leaning against the tree, like taking a nap. The colors in that are stunning. That was a Halloween. This is just fall. I love it. He's in a chair. He's got his friends with him. It's not very big. It's 17 inches by 26 inches, 42 by 65. So it's going to be tall, narrow and tall. Let's open it. Let's see what it looks like. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm sorry, I'll stop singing now. Okay. Here is the little sticker. You can put this in a logbook or on the box. It has all your information. The artist is Jeff Allen. Round drills. We gotta move past that. You gotta see it bigger than that. Let's see it bigger than that. All right, let's look at our toolkit. It's green. We have green in here. All right, come out and play. Come out. Another macaroon. I got so many macaroons. Anybody need a macaroon? All right, here we go. I already said the macaroon, so I'll just start there. Here, see, another pink macaroon. I have 4 or 5 of those now, I think. I have washi tape, just like that one as well. Okay, so that's your washi tape, and that is the cover minder. And then, like I said, my pen and my squishy are green. My tray is clear with gold specklets. Specklets. I don't know where I came up with that. Multi-placers. 4, 7. Wax. Caddy. Love it. Baggies. Any other questions? You can tell I'm not like overly excited about just looking at the toolkit. After a while, toolkit is a toolkit is a toolkit. You know what I mean? Okay, I want to get to the goods. I want to get to the goods here. I want to see the painting. All right, here we go. Let's roll with it. So Diamond Art Club's soft canvas. Love that. They're scalloped edges with little pokey holes in it. I'm going to roll it backwards so we can see everything. Get all the stuff out of it. I do have a little fold there. It will come right out. All you have to do is release the plastic and it'll come right out of there. I think my gnome is upside down. He's standing on his head currently. All right. What else do we have in here? What do we have? I do not know if this one is sold out or not. But if it is, I don't think it's a limited edition. You can go and put your name in the email. They'll email you when it comes in. I've done that for the Halloween one. It has not come back. Anyhow, here is their information sheet. Tells you how to diamond paint, tells you your contents, talks about their VIP group, the Facebook, the app, all kinds of stuff. Get money off your first purchase. If you have never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, I have a code that could help you out. It is 10 off Mindy. $10 off a purchase. That's pretty good. After that, there's a code in your box. There's one on the canvas. Go to the VIP group. There are codes to save you money everywhere. There's our drills. The colors are beautiful. Here's our sticker sheet. He's getting a little bigger. He's getting a little bigger. So this will all peel off. It's all individually. These are cut so you can put them on containers or jars, however you kit up. I put these in a logbook. You can put your start and end date. I never do that. Do you do that? I never do that. I never record when I start or when I end. I take so long. But how cute. Cute. It's 42.6 by 65.8 centimeters. So it's a good 40 by 60 plus. Okay. It's got 51 colors. Here's our symbols. Do, 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 do. Look at the oranges. Pretty. How many ABs do we have? Anything under 150. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. That's white. I know that. What is this? Like an orange, yellow, and a pink maybe? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's get into it. Let's get into it and find out what we have. All right. Here he is. There. He's not upside down anymore. Do what makes you sparkle. Does it sparkle? It does sparkle. Can you see the sparkle in the canvas? Can you see the symbols? Can you see how clear it is? How about a leaf? Let's look at a leaf. What do you think about the leaf? Several colors in that leaf, right? And if you think you can multi-place, you can, but it's just going to be line by line. This is like striped. So yeah, fun, fun, fun. This is all striped. Look at it. Woo, that's going to be fun. Okay, there's our leaves. He's sitting in this big old chair, right? Why is he sitting in a chair? I don't know. Why not? He's a gnome. He's in the forest. Somebody left a chair for him to hang out, right? He's got his pumpkins. This is okay. Now, let's put this in perspective, right? I actually have chairs like this, very similar. Well, mine are rounded at the back, but my kitchen chairs are similar to that. So imagine your kitchen chair. This is how big the gnome is. Gnomes are not big. You know, they're little guys. We think of gnomes. I don't know what you think when you think of gnomes, but they're small. They're just little, right? They're little guys that run through the woods and the flower beds and hang out with the fairies. They're small too, right? Anyhow, he's got some mushrooms here in his chair. He's got two big old pumpkins. He's got this little chickadee here. Chickadee. Yeah, that's a little chickadee. And then sunflowers. He's got a little ladybug here. He's a long ways off the ground, you know. How'd he get up there? I don't know. But like I said, it's narrow. I like the width of it actually. It's going to be easy to diamond paint across like this. You could put this on a small easel or something, and it's a nice size. I like it. We have the sizing information down here at the bottom, by the way, and the licensing information. All of that stuff is there. Love it. Yeah. You can multi-place in a few places, but not a lot. Not a lot. The colors are gorgeous. Yellows, oranges, greens. A little chickadee is like, now that puts it into perspective for you, right? That's a bird. And they're not a large bird. But look at the size of the bird compared to the gnome. The gnome's not a whole lot bigger than the bird is, right? Yeah, it's super cute. I love it. All right, let's look at our drills. It says Gnome and Friends on there, round with ABs. Let's look at them. Let's get into them. I like him. He's my favorite kind of gnome. He doesn't have any eyes. Oh, there's a big debate going on now about what he really is. Is he a gnome or a gonk? They're all gnomes to me. We're not going to get technical here, okay? Let's zoom you in so you can see the drills. Okay. Alrighty, here we go. Brown, lovely brown. Cream, 2 bags of 301. More cream and green. And orange. Not surprising, right? Not surprising. These are our colors. Bright orange. Okay, here's our first ABs. Oh, there's 2 together here. We have the white and the yellow. White and yellow AB. Aurora Borealis. Iridescent coating. Sparkle, shimmer, shine. Pick up all the other colors. Pop off the canvas. Make them look beautiful. We'll look and see where those go shortly. I'm twisted and twisted and twisted. Couple of grays, another yellow, blue, pink. That's the other AB, the pink. It is a pink. I'm thinking it's going to go in his hat. I'm just going to guess the hat and maybe the flowers up there. I don't know. We'll find out. And red. So there's 3 of our ABs. All right. What else do we have? Upside down. Do you care? I don't care. Do you care? Blue, green, some oranges, another brown, greens, 701, 702, 704, a bright lime green, beige, tan. All right, last little batch here. Maroon, pinkish red, gray, blue, pink, brown. That's blue. Is that blue or black? That's black. Yellow. Missing an AB. Did I pass one up? Nope, there it is. Light yellow. Pale yellow AB. That's pretty. There we go. There are our colors. What do you think? I think it's going to be so pretty. It's going to be so cute, so cute, so cute. I love this size. I like it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. One is pink. Let's go pink hunting first because I think it's just going to be in his hat. Oh, well, let me take that back. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the pink flower there. There's a couple in that pink flower. Okay, I got to zoom you out now because now you're like all up into business. All right, what else we got? Pink. I think the hat. Yeah, all of the spots on his hat, all the polka dots on the hat are the pink AB. And then this flower here, dot, 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 dot. Okay, a few in that one. So that's the pink AB. 2 is the pale, pale yellow. And I'm looking. Let's see. Pale, pale yellow. Not seeing any yet. Am I? Oh, here we go. I missed them. They're over here. In the mushrooms. The spots on the mushrooms. Pink, pink, or yellow, 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 yellow. Where else? Anyplace else? Anywhere else? Sunflower, does it get any? No. Not seeing any more. Is that just for the mushroom? It might just be the mushroom. Okay. We'll go with that. If I see any more, I'll let you know. 3. Okay, where do those go? Let's go to our sunflower. Yes, let's start there. See all of them in the sunflower? Pretty. That's going to be so pretty. I love the ABs in the flowers. And how about in the leaves? Bunch in the leaf. How about in the pumpkin? Lots in the pumpkin. That's that orange. More up here. Here. How about this leaf up here? Does he get any? He does. He gets some around the edges here. That's going to be so cool. And the last one is the white. White. It's a 4. 4. Where's the white? All right, let's start with one spot right there. You see that? 1 right there. Well, there's a couple up here too. There's a couple, and there's that one. Then his beard. His mustache is white AB. Love it. The bird gets white AB along its breast and on its head here. And there's a couple over here. I think it's going to be so cute. There's a couple speckles down here. Anyhow, isn't he cute? Let me zoom you back out again so you can see the whole thing. There he is, folks. There he is. Love him. Gnome and friends. Love it. He's so cute. All right. Okay. Like I said, I'm not certain if it's sold out or not. It might be. If it is, put your name down. They'll email me to be notified when it comes back in stock. And you could go get one. I mean, he's adorable, right? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you come back and see more videos in the future. I'll have more coming. All righty. Talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.